Standard 9 Chemistry Carbon and its compounds. Topic Diamond and Graphite. The compounds containing carbon are much larger in number than those containing other elements. Carbon is present in almost all substances that we come across in our daily life, right? Food items, clothes, oils, soap, cosmetics, fuels, medicines, plant and animal body, paints, rubber, paper, etc. are primarily made up of compounds of carbon. New compounds of carbon are being discovered or created almost every day. Carbon is seen both in the elemental state and combined state in nature. Wood, wood charcoal, charcoal made from coconut shell, lamp black, sugar charcoal, etc. are all carbon. The charcoal residue that is left behind when substances undergo combustion is due to the presence of carbon in them. The black smoke formed when substances burn is also due to the presence of carbon. Now, coming on to allotropes of carbon. Allotropy is a phenomenon by which the same element exists in different physical forms. Diamond, graphite, fullerene and graphene are the crystalline allotropes of carbon, and the images are shown below. Diamond. Diamond is the hardest allotrope of carbon. Look at the characteristics of diamond. It is very hard, it is transparent, it is not a conductor of electricity, having a high thermal conductivity, has high refractive index. Then look at some of the uses of diamond. Diamonds are used to make ornaments and they are also used for cutting glasses. Thermal conductivity of diamond. Diamond, the hardest allotrope of carbon, is also an excellent conductor of heat. The strong covalent chemical bonding in diamond is responsible for this property. The thermal conductivity of diamond is about 5 times that of copper. The thermal conductivity of diamond is made use of in identifying fake diamonds. Then colored diamonds. Chemically and structurally, pure diamonds are colorless. The presence of certain elements impart color to diamonds. For example, the presence of boron imparts blue color and the presence of nitrogen imparts yellow color to diamonds. The refractive index of diamond is very high. If diamond is cut into certain shades, the light entering the diamond will undergo total internal reflection and gets separated into its component colors. This makes diamond attractive. Hardness and conductivity of diamond. What could be the reason for peculiar properties of diamond? See the crystal structure of diamond given in figure. Here each carbon atom is linked by covalent bond with 4 other carbon atoms surrounding it. This strong bonding is responsible for the hardness of diamond. Due to the absence of free electrons in this crystal structure, the diamond does not conduct electricity. Next is graphite. Graphite is the most stable crystalline allotrope of carbon. Let's list out the characteristics. It is lustrous. It is grey in color. It is conductor of electricity and it is non-volatile. Now, the uses of graphite are, they are used to make pencil lead, used to make electrodes of dry cells and used as a solid state lubricant. Now, coming on to the origin of the name. The graphite got its name from the Latin word graphene, which means capable of writing. Since graphite was grey in color and smooth and could make marks in paper, it was eventually used for writing. In the initial stages, graphite was mistaken for lead. It was due to this reason that graphite pencils got the name lead pencils. Now, coming on to the structure and properties of graphite. In graphite, each carbon atom is covalently bonded with three surrounding carbon atoms and forms a sheet-like structure. These sheets or layers are stacked one above the other to form the three-dimensional structure. Each layer is made up of hexagons and there is no covalent bonding between these layers. These layers are held together by weak van der Waals physical forces. Hence, the layers can slide over one another. Now, when we conclude, unlike other elements, carbon forms large number of compounds. Carbon shows allotropy. Two very important allotropic forms of carbon are diamond and graphite. Diamond is the hardest substance known and is a non-conductor of electricity. There are different colored diamonds that is used in jewelry. Graphite is used as a lubricant and is a conductor of electricity.